Hi, this is Norm Thompson. Welcome to this week's edition of My Legacy Attorney Monday Question and Answer video. This week's question is, what's an estate plan and what happens if I die without one? An estate plan is simply documentation of your wishes, and it spells out what should happen if you die or become incapacitated. Now, typically when I draft plans, they include a trust or a number of trusts, a will, a kids protection plan naming guardians for your minor children, a power of attorney and healthcare directive, just in case you become incapacitated and can't make decisions on your own. And this could be temporary or indefinite. I also document your non-monetary assets. Now, what happens if you die without a plan? Well, if you die without a plan, your assets will pass to your surviving family members according to your state's laws. In other words, if you die without a plan, the state has a plan for you. Now, unfortunately, this may not be what you want, and your wishes may not be carried out in a way that you would like them to be. Typically, how this goes is your spouse, your kids, and your grandkids are first in line. Now, if you're unmarried or you're single with no kids, rather, then your parents would get your assets. And then next it would be your siblings, and next would be distant relatives, aunts, uncles, cousins, so on. Now, if you pass and no relatives can be identified, the state gets your assets. That's right, the states will get your asset, or your state will get your asset. Currently, there are billions of dollars in unclaimed assets. Unfortunately, unmarried partners are typically entitled to nothing. Also, if you pass without a plan and you fail to have designated a legal guardian for your minor children, then a judge will have to appoint one for them. This might be someone you wouldn't want to be in that position. So it's important that you at least name guardians for your minor children. Given the heartbreak this would likely cause your loved ones, it is imperative that you at least make a will. Now, if you have any questions, leave it in the comments section. And also remember, please send me questions you'd like answered. And if you give me permission again, I will shout you out in the Q&A video. Thank you so much.